The 2026 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck marks a bold and emotional return of one of the most legendary names in American truck history, blending classic heritage with futuristic design and modern performance. The moment you hear the C10 name, it instantly brings back memories of rugged steel bodies, V8 power, and a workhorse attitude that helped define Chevrolet's dominance in the pickup world. Now, for 2026, Chevy has reimagined the C10 as a modern classic or truck that respects its roots while embracing cutting-edge technology, electrification possibilities, and premium comfort. This is not just a revival, it's a statement. The 2026 C10 is designed for enthusiasts who love vintage muscle but demand modern reliability, safety, and refinement. Whether you're a longtime Chevy loyalist or a new-age truck buyer searching for something unique, the C10 instantly captures attention with its retro-inspired design and forward-thinking engineering. In today's market filled with aggressive, futuristic trucks, the 2026 Chevrolet C10 stands out by offering nostalgia, power, and modern innovation in one unforgettable package. Diving deeper into the 2026 Chevrolet C10, it becomes clear that this truck is carefully engineered to bridge the past and the future. Chevrolet has positioned the C10 as a lifestyle pickup rather than just a work truck, focusing on versatility, performance, and emotional appeal. Built on a modernized platform, the new C10 is expected to feature lighter-weight materials such as high-strength steel and aluminum to improve durability while keeping weight under control. Under the hood, Chevrolet is rumored to offer multiple powertrain options, including a classic naturally aspirated V8 for purists, a turbocharged V6 for balanced performance, and even a hybrid or electric variant to meet future emissions standards. The suspension setup is tuned for both comfort and capability, allowing the C10 to handle daily driving with ease while still offering strong towing and hauling capabilities. Advanced driving technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision warning, and trailer sway control bring the C10 firmly into the modern era. Chevrolet's focus on craftsmanship is evident in every detail, from chassis tuning to drivewood rain calibration, making the C10 feel refined yet powerful. This truck is engineered not just to perform, but to connect emotionally with the driver, delivering confidence, control, and classic American muscle in a modern form. Looking even closer at the finer car details of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 reveals just how much attention Chevrolet has given to durability, usability, and real-world practicality. Every element of the truck feels engineered with purpose, from solid door hinges and reinforced body panels to the intelligently designed bed structure. The pickup bed is expected to feature durable liners, multiple tie-down points, integrated lighting, and optional power outlets, making it easier than ever to secure cargo and use tools on the go. These details may seem small, but together they significantly enhance daily usability. Underneath the surface, the C10's platform is designed for strength and longevity. High-strength steel construction improves rigidity while reducing unnecessary weight, helping the truck perform efficiently without sacrificing toughness. Suspension geometry, braking components, and chassis tuning have all been refined to provide a balanced driving experience that feels stable under load and smooth when unladen. These engineering details reflect Chevrolet's understanding that a great pickup truck is not just about appearance or power, but about how every component works together to deliver reliability, confidence, and long-term value. The exterior design of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 is where nostalgia truly meets modern automotive art. Chevrolet has masterfully retained the iconic boxy proportions of the original C10 while refining every surface with contemporary styling cues. The front fascia features a bold, squared-off grille with modern LED lighting elements that echo the classic round headlights of vintage models. Stepping inside the 2026 Chevrolet C10 feels like entering a space where classic American truck DNA has been reborn through modern craftsmanship and technology. Chevrolet has designed the interior to honor the original C10 simplicity while elevating it to a premium, modern standard that today's drivers expect. The dashboard layout is wide, horizontal, and clean, echoing the straightforward design philosophy of classic trucks, but now enhanced with soft-touch materials, brushed metal accents, and optional real wood or carbon fiber trims depending on the variant. The centerpiece of the cabin is a large, high-resolution digital infotainment display that blends seamlessly into the dashboard, offering intuitive controls for navigation, media, vehicle settings, and performance data. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel is fully customizable, allowing drivers to switch between classic analog-style gauges and modern performance displays, creating a perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. The seating inside the 2026 C10 is designed for both long-distance comfort and everyday usability. The front seats are wide, deeply cushioned, and ergonomically shaped, offering excellent thigh and lumbar support whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city traffic. Premium upholstery options include durable cloth for work-focused trims and high-quality leather with contrast stitching for higher-end models. Chevrolet has paid special attention to seating posture, ensuring that drivers of all sizes can find a commanding and comfortable driving position thanks to power-adjustable seats and a telescoping steering wheel. Rear seating is surprisingly spacious for a pickup rooted in classic design, offering generous legroom, supported backrests, and a flat floor that enhances comfort for passengers on longer journeys. Storage solutions throughout the cabin are thoughtfully engineered, making the C10 as practical as it is stylish. The center console offers deep storage for personal items, tablets, or tools, while multiple cup holders, door bins, and hidden compartments ensure that everything has its place. Seat storage in the rear adds even more versatility, allowing drivers to secure valuable items out of sight. Chevrolet has also integrated wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and 12-volt outlets throughout the cabin, ensuring that both drivers and passengers stay connected at all times. Ambient lighting subtly illuminates the cabin at night, adding a sense of sophistication while enhancing visibility without distraction. Every control surface inside the C10 feels solid and well built, from the satisfying click of physical buttons to the smooth movement of knobs and switches. Chevrolet has wisely retained physical controls for essential functions like climate control and volume, making the interior user-friendly even while driving. Sound insulation is another standout feature, with extensive use of noise-dampening materials in the doors, floor, and roof, creating a quiet and refined cabin that feels more like a luxury SUV than a traditional pickup. Overall, the interior of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 successfully blends retro inspiration with modern comfort, technology, and practicality, delivering a cabin that feels timeless, functional, and unmistakably premium. When it comes to comfort, the 2026 Chevrolet C10 sets a new standard for what a modern pickup truck can offer, proving that rugged capability and everyday luxury can coexist effortlessly. Chevrolet has engineered the C10's ride quality to be smooth, controlled, and confidence-inspiring, thanks to a carefully tuned suspension system that absorbs road imperfections without feeling soft or disconnected. Whether driving over broken city roads, long highway stretches, or uneven rural terrain, the C10 maintains a composed ride that minimizes body roll and vibration. This balance makes the truck exceptionally comfortable for daily commuting while still capable of handling heavy loads and towing duties. The performance of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 represents a bold step forward, blending classic American truck strength with modern engineering, efficiency, and intelligent power delivery. Chevrolet has clearly designed the C10 to satisfy both traditional truck buyers and a new generation of drivers who demand versatility, refinement, and real-world usability. Under the hood, the C10 is expected to offer multiple powertrain options, allowing buyers to choose performance that matches their lifestyle. From a fuel-efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder for daily driving, to a powerful V6, and potentially a V8 or hybrid-assisted variant for those seeking maximum muscle, the C10 lineup is built to perform across a wide range of driving scenarios. Acceleration feels confident and controlled, with smooth throttle response that makes the truck feel responsive without being aggressive. The engine tuning prioritizes usable torque, which is especially noticeable during city driving, highway merging, and towing situations. Rather than delivering power in a sudden surge, the C10 builds momentum progressively, giving the driver a sense of control and confidence. The transmission shifts are smooth and intelligent, adapting seamlessly to driving conditions whether cruising at steady speeds or demanding rapid downshifts for overtaking. Chevrolet's focus on refinement is evident in how effortlessly the powertrain operates, making the C10 feel polished rather than raw. Towing and hauling performance are where the 2026 C10 truly shines. Built on a strong and modernized platform, the truck is engineered to handle demanding workloads without sacrificing comfort or stability. Whether pulling a trailer, carrying construction materials, or hauling recreational gear, the C10 maintains excellent balance and control. Advanced towing technologies, such as trailer sway control, integrated brake controllers, and selectable drive modes, make heavy-duty tasks more manageable even for less experienced drivers. The truck's suspension remains composed under load, preventing excessive squat or instability, while steering feedback remains predictable and reassuring. On the road, the 2026 Chevrolet C10 delivers a surprisingly smooth and composed driving experience for a pickup truck. The steering is well-weighted and precise, making the C10 easy to maneuver in urban environments despite its size. At highway speeds, The truck feels planted and stable, with minimal wind resistance and excellent straight-line tracking. Body roll is well controlled through corners, and the suspension absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces with ease. Whether driving on rough back roads, highways, or light off-road trails, the C10 adapts effortlessly, delivering a confident and enjoyable ride. As we reach the conclusion of this in-depth look at the 2026 Chevrolet C10, it becomes clear that this truck is far more than just a revival of a classic nameplate. It is a carefully engineered, thoughtfully designed pickup that successfully bridges the gap between heritage and modern expectations. Chevrolet has taken the timeless appeal of the original C10 and reimagined it for today's world, creating a vehicle that respects its roots while embracing innovation, technology, and comfort. This balance is what makes the 2026 C10 stand out in an increasingly competitive pickup market. From its bold exterior styling and refined interior to its impressive comfort and capable performance, the C10 proves that a truck can be both functional and emotionally appealing. It offers the strength and reliability that truck buyers demand, while also delivering a driving experience that feels smooth, quiet, and confidence-inspiring. Whether used as a daily commuter, a workhorse, or a weekend adventure vehicle, the C10 adapts effortlessly to different roles, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of drivers. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 is how approachable it feels. Unlike some modern pickups that can feel oversized or overly complex, the C10 strikes a balance that makes it easy to live with. Its technology enhances the driving experience without overwhelming the driver. Its comfort features reduce fatigue on long journeys, and its performance capabilities ensure that it never feels underpowered or out of its element. This sense of balance is what will likely attract both longtime Chevrolet loyalists and first-time truck buyers alike. The C10 also represents Chevrolet's understanding of the evolving needs of truck owners. Today's buyers want vehicles that can handle work during the week and family life on the weekend, all while delivering efficiency, safety, and modern convenience.